Good morning, friends. It is important to develop language ability, particularly elaboration of thoughts and ideas for little kids, particularly class 5, 6, 7, 8. The children who really have to develop foundations of language. Now, to develop foundation of language, it is equally important that the children should always be given assignment of thoughts and great sayings so that they can understand and they can elaborate it. So, in this way, in this series of elaboration of thoughts and ideas, today I am just speaking and trying to elaborate in the words of these little children, particularly the junior classes, the thought silence is golden and speech is silver. Generally, people believe that speaking is a good habit, but at the same time, keeping silence is more important than speech. Ask why? What happens? A good listener is a good learner. A good listener is a good learner. जो ज्यादा शांत रहता है वो ज्यादा समझता है और सुनने की कोशिश करता है. Learning comes from three important skills. The first one is listening, and the second one is, after listening, the second one comes speaking, and the third one comes writing. So listening, no, first listening comes. There are four skills: listening, then comes speaking, then reading, and then writing. But the most important skill of learning language is listening. What is listening and what is hearing? What is the difference? Actually, the parents and the teacher must make the child understand what is the difference between listening and hearing. See, when you are sitting in the room and somebody is playing some kind of music, now you are bound to hear. You don't have actually intentions to hear, but you are bound to hear. If there is some now noise coming outside from your house, you are bound to listen, but you are not paying attention to what is being spoken there or what is being played there. But when in the classroom or at this station, when you are sitting and there is an announcement that the Rajdhani Express is about to arrive at 10 a.m. today on platform number 2, you are trying to code the, or let us say you are trying to understand, make the comprehension of what the announcement came. As you are going to travel by Rajdhani Express, there are so many announcements, but you are paying attention to only that announcement which is related to Rajdhani Express. So this is called listening. Listening is hearing with a purpose. Random hearing is not listening. Listening with a purpose, listening for interpretation, listening for comprehension, listening for understanding, that is called listening. Listening is not a random phenomena. If a child is just listening to somebody's talk without paying attention to what is being spoken, it is not listening, it is hearing. So there is a difference between listening and hearing. Now, how should we inculcate the habit of good listening among the children? That is why I'm saying that listening that means silence is golden and speech is silver. And there is a method of developing concentration on the children to listen. The best way is to narrate a story or a small paragraph and ask the children to listen very patiently, and then ask some introductory questions. If you are telling a small story and after 5 minutes you say that I will ask questions, in the first round maybe the children will be able to answer one or two questions, but when you are repeating this paragraph or this story second time, the children will be able to answer more than 5 questions. And when you are making the third reading and then asking the children to read, the children will be able to listen to, and everything they will understand, they will answer all the questions. That is what the listening skill of language learning is. And why I said listening is silence is golden, because it has been observed that those people who are a silent listener, they are good learners, and those who are talkative, they miss many of the concepts in the class, they are not able to understand. Talking is important, but only with the purpose. Unnecessary gossip, unnecessary chatting and interaction is not helpful. And there is a small story associated with this: silence is golden and speech is silver. There was a priest. He often delivered his sermons, his speech, sitting near the tree, in the shade of the tree. And the people passed by, always, ignored his thought. They thought that it is his duty to listen to. But there was a boy who was just, looking after his cattle, rearing the cattle. वो गाय चराता था, और रोज वो नजदीक जा करके एक और दो सेंटेंस सुनने की कोशिश करता था, लेकिन वो तब तक सुनता था जब तक उसको समझ में नहीं आ जाता। एक दिन महापुरुष में प्रिस्ट ने कहा कि मनुष्य का जीवन क्षणिक मतलब छोटा है, इसलिए उसे अपने कार्यों को सफल पूर्वक करना चाहिए, चाहे वो कोई भी कार्य हो, क्योंकि वह जीवन दोबारा, उसको मनुष्य जीवन दोबारा नहीं मिलता है। ये बात उसके दिमाग में घर कर गई, और वो पृष्ठ से बोला कि सर, मैं 5-10 मिनट आपके पास बैठना चाहता हूँ। और वो धीरे धीरे इतना अच्छा लिसनर बन गया, वो कुछ बोलता नहीं था, केवल सुनता था कि जितनी भी स्पीचेस महात्मा ने दी, उसकी सारी गूढ़ बातों को उसने अपने दिमाग में बैठाया, और आगे चल करके वो पढ़ना शुरू किया और एक बहुत बड़ा महापुरुष बना। और उन्होंने अपनी जीवनी में लिखा, वो बच्चा, कि मैं इस महापुरुष की बातों को सुन सुन कर अपने ज्ञान को बढ़ाया। तो सुनना एक जो है ज्ञानवर्धक कला है। We should always try to listen to the great thoughts and ideas, and never try to be too much speechful, because it is a wastage of energy also, and a good listener is a good learner. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.